Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. So on today's vlog, I'm going to make this super simple, very easy and very delicious Italian dessert called Panna Cotta. So come and join me on making my version of it. So keep on watching and let's get started. If you are looking for silky smooth coconut vanilla custard topped with some chocolates, then say hello to my panna cotta recipe. This creamy Italian dessert comes together in no time and it's super delicious. First, get all the ingredients to start. So on this recipe, we're gonna need a very few and simple ingredients. I have here 260 ml of coconut milk, a separate bowl of 50 ml of cocoa cream to where I will dissolve the gelatin. I have a pack of 10 grams of plain gelatin powder, 200 ml of heavy cream, half a cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And what I'm going to do now is to sprinkle the gelatin over the coconut milk and set it aside. So now, into a medium pot, I'm going to add in the coconut milk, the heavy cream, the sugar, and the vanilla. Mix all the ingredients until well combined. And we're gonna set it into a medium-low heat until hot to touch. We don't want it to boil. Keep stirring until all the ingredients are well combined and the sugar perfectly dissolved. And when the milk gets warm, remove it from the heat and set it aside. And now the milk mixture is warm and ready. It's time to add the rest of the ingredients. So what I'm basically doing right now, I'm trying to dissolve the gelatin powder with the other portion of the coconut milk. And I'm just going to pour it into the milk mixture. And keep stirring until well combined. So it's time to transfer the mixture into a mold. And I'm also using a separate measuring cup or pouring cup because I don't want to transfer the mixture directly from the pot. Then pour in the milk mixture into your molds evenly. And let it sit inside the fridge for about 1 to 2 hours for perfect result. After 2 hours in the fridge, our panna cotta is ready. And our dessert is ready, and we're looking for this kind of consistency. It should giggle into the molds or in the plates when you serve it. So it's time to top the dessert with your favorite toppings. So on this recipe of mine, I'm just going to use a cocoa powder to top my panna cotta. And it's ready to enjoy! I hope you guys will give my recipe a try, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave some comment down below, tap the notification bell so that you're always notified every time I have new upload. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Life is so beautiful, guys. Keep smiling. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!